Welcome back. You've done incredible work so far. In the last lesson, you created your unique strength profile, uncovering hidden skills and exploring how your strengths combine to create unique value. Today, we are adding another layer to your purpose map by identifying your core values, the guiding principles that influence your decisions, priorities, and sense of fulfillment. You might be wondering, what do values have to do with all this? Your strengths show what you're good at, but your values define why it matters. Together, they create a roadmap for purpose-driven life, and by end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of your top values and how they shape the way you live and work. Let's get started. Core values are the deeply held beliefs that guide your behavior and decisions. They are what makes certain opportunities feel exciting and others feel misaligned. For example, if one of your values is creativity, you'll thrive in environments that let you innovate, while rigid, rule-based tasks might feel draining. Understanding your values helps you align your goals and actions with what truly matters to you. It's like having a compass that keeps you focused on what's meaningful, even when life feels uncertain. Today, we'll use AI to uncover your core values and explore how they connect to your strengths. Think of this as uncovering the why behind the skills and abilities you identified in the last lesson. Let's begin by reflecting on your strengths and experiences. Open your life reflection journal and review your unique strength profile from lesson 2, as well as the key life moments you documented in lesson 1. Now let's use AI to uncover your values. Open ChatGPT and use this prompt. Here is my unique strength profile. Now paste the profile. Based on these strengths and combinations, can you suggest core values that naturally align with what I excel at and enjoy? Please explain why these values might resonate with me. Next, add context by including your life moments. Here's a list of key life moments where I felt most fulfilled. Now paste the moments. Based on these experiences, can you help me identify the values that were likely driving my sense of fulfillment? As you can see here, the AI has analyzed my unique strength profile along with some key life moments, and it's generated a list of core values that might be guiding me behind the scenes. It surfaced things like growth, reflecting my drive to evolve through challenges; purpose, pointing to how I find meaning in helping or leading; empathy, based on how I support and connect with others; adaptability, for how I thrive in change; integrity, reflecting my commitment to doing the right thing; excellence through action, highlighting how I follow through on what matters. What's important to note is that these values are based on my inputs. If you share different strengths or experiences, your values will likely look different. So take time to read through your own results and notice which values really resonate with you. If the responses feel too broad, ask for more clarity by using a refined prompt such as, "Can you provide specific examples of how these values might influence my decisions or priorities in everyday life?" As you can see, it breaks each value down into how it might guide me in work, relationships, or moments of uncertainty, and then gives a concrete example of what that could look like in action. This helps translate abstract values into something practical and lived, which is a key to using them as a compass. Copy the AI's response into your life reflection journal under a new section titled Core Values. Make sure to organize them so you can revisit them later. By now, you should have a list of potential core values. The next step is to prioritize them. Not all values carry the same weight, and it's important to focus on the ones that resonate most deeply. Use this prompt to refine your list. Here's a list of my potential values. Now paste the list. Can you help me rank these based on how strongly they align with my past experiences and what I find fulfilling? As you can see, the response I got feels incredibly grounded. It's not just a generic list, but a thoughtful breakdown of why each value fits where it does. For example, growth was ranked number 1 because many of my most meaningful moments, such as graduating college, moving to a new city, or bouncing back from setbacks, involved challenge, learning, and personal expansion. Purpose came next, reflecting how much I value meaning and impact in what I do. And empathy was highlighted as a deep part of how I show up for others emotionally. especially in leadership or support roles. The rest of the values like adaptability, integrity, and excellence through action were also explained in relation to a specific life moment and how they played a role in shaping my decisions. Altogether, it gave me a really clear picture of which values matter most to me and why. Once you have a prioritized list, take a moment to reflect on it. Think about which values feel absolutely non-negotiable. Are there any values that surprise you? Consider how these values show up in your daily life and decisions. Write down your reflections in your core value section of the Life Reflecting Journal, and this will help you solidify what matters most and prepare for the next lesson. Now that you've identified and prioritized your core values, let's explore how they connect to your strengths and purpose. Open ChatGPT and use this prompt. Based on my top values, paste the prioritized list, and my unique strength profile, paste the profile, can you suggest ways I can align my goals or career choices with these values and strengths? As you can see, it analyzes that full picture and offers clear, actionable ideas for how I can align my goals or career choices with both my values and strengths. The response is surprisingly practical. For example, under growth, it recommends roles that push me to keep evolving, like coaching or innovation-focused work. Under purpose, it suggests mission-driven paths where I can contribute to something bigger than myself, like social entrepreneurship or nonprofit leadership. And it continues like that for empathy, adaptability, integrity, and excellence through action, offering career directions and decision filters that reflect what matters most to me. It's a helpful reminder that I don't have to choose between what I care about and what I'm good at. I can design my path around both. Document the I suggestions and your reflections in your journal. These connections will become a key part of your purpose map. To wrap up, consolidate everything you've worked on this lesson. In the core value section of your Life Reflecting Journal, write down your top 5 values. For each value, include a brief description of why it matters to you, along with specific examples of how it shows up in your life. Reflect on how these values align with your strengths and guide your decisions. This document will serve as the foundation for aligning your strengths and values with meaningful opportunities in the next lesson. Amazing work today. You've taken the time to uncover and prioritize your core values, creating a powerful compass to guide your decisions and goals. This clarity will play a key role in shaping your purpose map. In the next lesson, we'll focus on aligning your strengths and values with potential career paths. It's where everything comes together, and I can't wait for you to see what's possible. Until then, keep reflecting and embracing your values. You've done incredible work. See you in the next lesson.